Hey, boo. It's Vlogmas 2018. Let's go. I don't know what's going on. I'm tired. I don't feel so hot. Something's wrong. So it's the day after the day I told you I was sick. It just dawned on me that Jagger has a grooming appointment today. So I had to pull myself together to get him to the groomer because he got a puppy weave right about now. And then I had to do that, and then my son just randomly brings home this job. Him and his friend, two of his friends have a business and they sell comics. And they needed to print some of the comics. Well, of course, he brings me the jump drive and says, "Hey, Mama, I need to get these printed. Can you print these upstairs?" And I'm like, okay. So I opened it up on my computer, and it's 11 pages long. I said, "How many of these I need?" He was like about 11 to 12. I'm like, "Sir, it's 100 and, you know what I'm saying, how many pages?" So it's like, I need to go to Kinko's or FedEx, whatever it's called, FedEx Kinko, and get them printed. So I'm gonna drop him off at the groomer, then go to Kinko's to get his get these prints and then take them up to his school. They don't understand that they're not quite making no money because they ain't really accounting for the costs, but they'll get to that part. I was talking to them about it this morning. They'll get to that part. I'm just excited that Jagger, sit back. I'm excited that they have, that they want to do business. It's really cool. Try to vlog a little today. I don't know what happened. It's like something just hit me. Just all of a sudden. At like 2 o'clock, I started feeling weird. I started feeling really weird. So. Wait, Jagger. Wait, jeez. Come on, be careful. Let me get down. Come on, Jagger. Back to the North Pole when I finished messing with it. Good morning, how are you? Good. I'm back in my squeaky boots. I'm gonna go come back and get some of those containers. First, I'm gonna get what I came for. You know how you do something and you know it ain't right. This tree looks much better when that window is closed, but I can't keep looking at this like this. It just looked a mess, but I was trying to avoid taking it down, but it gotta happen. So let's see what we can do.
People who are ahead of us professionally. People who lift us up instead of knocking us down. People who take the high road, never the low. And above all, people who are growing. They should be like Ralph Waldo Emerson and Henry David Thoreau, whose question for each other whenever they met was, "What have you learned since we last met?"